Mazda is generating significant excitement in the automotive world with the announcement of its iconic SP concept car. A sleek and innovative model, the iconic SP has caught the attention of car enthusiasts and industry experts alike. According to Mazda CEO, the company is moving forward with production in a deliberate, step-by-step fashion, ensuring that the car meets the highest standards of performance, design, and sustainability. This careful approach marks a significant moment for Mazda, as they continue to push the boundaries of automotive engineering. Initially unveiled as a concept, the iconic SP has been praised for its futuristic design, which blends sophistication with sporty performance. With its low-slung body, sculpted curves, and bold front grille, the concept car promises to redefine Mazda's brand image. As the car transitions into production, anticipation is growing over how much of the original vision will be retained, and what new features will be incorporated to enhance its appeal. Mazda's CEO has made it clear that the company is not rushing the development of the iconic SP. While there is significant excitement around the car, Mazda's focus is on taking the necessary time to perfect each phase of the process. This step-by-step development approach reflects the company's commitment to quality, ensuring that when the iconic SP finally arrives, it will meet every expectation set by the concept. Beyond its striking design, the iconic SP is expected to deliver exceptional performance. Mazda has long been known for its driver-focused vehicles, and the iconic SP will be no exception. Early reports indicate that the car will feature a next-generation engine that balances power and efficiency, making it ideal for those seeking both performance and eco-friendliness. As Mazda shifts toward sustainability, it's anticipated that the iconic SP will offer hybrid or electric powertrain options, further emphasizing the brand's commitment to a greener future. Another major highlight of the iconic SP is its cutting-edge technology. Mazda has been incorporating more advanced features into its vehicles in recent years, and the iconic SP will showcase this trend. The production model is expected to include state-of-the-art infotainment systems, advanced driver assistance features, and connectivity options that deliver a highly integrated, intelligent driving experience. Mazda's goal is to appeal to a new generation of drivers who seek not just a vehicle, but a futuristic, high-tech experience. While Mazda has not set an official release date for the iconic SP, the CEO mentioned that the company is progressing with its production in a measured manner. This step-by-step development timeline suggests that Mazda is taking the necessary time to refine the car's design, engineering, and technology before it goes into mass production. While it may take a few more years before the iconic SP hits the market, Mazda's careful approach will ensure that the final product exceeds expectations. The iconic SP also has the potential to redefine Mazda's manufacturing philosophy. Known for its attention to detail and commitment to creating engaging driving experiences, Mazda could use the iconic SP to usher in a new era, where innovation and sustainability go hand in hand. As more manufacturers move toward electric and hybrid vehicles, the iconic SP could position Mazda as a key player in the competitive eco-friendly performance market. In the larger context of the rapidly evolving automotive industry, the development of the iconic SP speaks to Mazda's strategy of innovation and adaptability. As the industry pivots towards electrification and autonomous technologies, the iconic SP is Mazda's opportunity to demonstrate its ability to evolve while staying true to the brand's core values of fun, quality, and performance. In conclusion, while the production version of the iconic SP may still be a few years away, Mazda is moving forward with the car in a calculated, step-by-step manner to ensure that it exceeds expectations. With its bold design, performance capabilities, and innovative technology, the iconic SP has the potential to be a game-changer for Mazda, setting the stage for a strong presence in the evolving automotive market. Fans of the brand and automotive enthusiasts alike will be eagerly awaiting each new step of this exciting journey.